Hi guys, I am Himanshu from the CMS guys. In this video, I will show you how to create an educational service website in under 5 minutes using WordPress step by step. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified about new videos uploaded every week. Let us look at the website demo before diving in the tutorial. So here you can see that we have a header of our website and we are in a home page. At the first section of the home page, we have a background image, and then at the top we have some heading, description, buttons. Over here on the right we have an image. Moving to the next section, here we have images on the left side, and on the right side we have this title, heading, description and a button. In the next section again we have some icon boxes over here on the left side, and on the right we have a image. Moving to the next section, this is the course sections where we have what are the course we offered, and we have number of duration, number of lessons, reviews and a join class button over here. Moving to the next section, here we have a beautiful counter offer with student, class uploaded, certificate, global teacher. Moving to the next section, this is the expertise, mentor, teacher section where we have images over here. When we are hovering over it, we are getting their name and then what they teach. Moving to the next, we have this featured partner section where we have carousel of logos. Moving to the next section, here we have again a section with a background image, and we have a heading and then with a button. Moving to the last section, which is the footer section. Here on the left side we have our company logo, description, social media icons, and here we have 3 columns with different links pages. Now let me show you different pages over here. So let me open these pages in a new tab. Again, in this about page we have this page title over here with this breadcrumb, and then here in this section we have a image on the right side, and on the left side we have title, heading, description and a button. Moving to the next, here we have some vision, mission, motto section where we have hovering over it, we are getting an icon on it. Then in the next section again we have an image on the left, and on the right side we have a heading, title and description. In the next section again we have this beautiful counter over here, and then we have this team section. In this next we have again our partner section, then we have our footer, top and footer. Moving to the next page, which is the courses page. Here we have this courses page with this all these courses information about it, and then we have our footer, top and footer. Moving to the next page, which is this teachers page where we have all the teachers images, and when we are hovering over it we are getting their name and designation. In this section here you can see that we have a background video, and at the top we have this title, heading, some description text, and then we have this button. In the next section again we have this on the left side we have a image, and on the right side we have some title, heading and description and a button. At last we have our footer, top and footer. Moving to the next, which is the contact section. Again we have the page title with breadcrumb. Then we have these 3 icon boxes over here where we have this icons, then location, phone number, email of this. Then here you can see we have a contact form on the left side, and on the right side we have this beautiful map over here. At last here you can see we have some of the social media icons, then we have our footer, top and footer over here. Now let's check whether this website is mobile responsive or not. So let me show you the mobile view, and here you can see this is the mobile view. It means it is fully responsive for mobile. Now let's start creating this website in 5 minutes. For that we need to go to our WordPress dashboard. So first of all let me quickly enter my username and password for the WordPress dashboard, then click on this login button. It will redirect you to the home dashboard of the WordPress. Now we are going to use a plugin to build this website in 5 minutes. So click on this hover over this plugins and click on add new in the plugin section. On the right side you will find this search plugin option, and search here for all-in-one, and you will get a bunch of list of plugins over here, and the plugin that we are going to use is all-in-one WP migration. Just click on this install now button and it will start installing. So here you can see that this is by Serve Mask, and once it will install, then we have to activate this plugin. So here you can see that we are getting now a activate button. Just click on that activate button and it will activate. Once it will activate, on the left side you will see we are getting one all-in-one WP migration setting. Just hover over it and click on import, and now we can import the file. So here we have to import the file, or you can select this import form and select the file also. Now you can see it is preparing to import. Once it will check all the extension compatibility and everything, it will show you a message like this, like it will overwrite your existing database, media plugins and all these themes and all. So what you have to do, you have to just click on this proceed button only and you are already good to go. We also have a companion video for this website that is around 2 hours long, which will teach you to build this website from scratch without using the file. You can save your time to build the website using the template we showed you in the video. You can get this template from the link given in description. For our existing course members, there are 20 plus ready to use templates curated by our team available under the template section on the course dashboard. Feel free to use any of them for your future projects and get your website ready in under 10 minutes. Now you can see that our website is imported successfully. Let's click on this finish button and let's visit the site. So now you can see our website is imported and ready to use. Hope you like this video tutorial. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.